Hello guys, so today I'm presenting you the Vario. This is the adjustable shelving system for integration of lighting. It's a very easy system. You know, it's great for kitchens, pantries, showrooms, as well as commercial or soft commercial applications. It's very easy to do. It has the track side on the system, so you recess a track on the side itself. This allows you to move the current from your driver. In this case, we put the driver at the bottom of the installation and we plug it into the track. The electricity goes up and powers the track itself. On the shelf itself, we have a linear solution. There's two ways. You could either purchase solutions and assemble them yourself, or for the Vario system, we as well have integrated and pre-assembled linear solutions that we recommend per shelving size. On the side of the shelf itself, you have the connector that feeds the electricity from the track to the light. So once everything installed, very easily you put your pins in place and you slide your shelving into place. If you ever notice that maybe there's an adjustment to do, no need to unplug or undo any wires. All you have to do is remove the shelving, remove the pins, allocate them to the right height, and then reinstall your shelving for a full lighting solution as well. Super easy to do. We only have one track on one side to simplify alignment. It comes in a white finish or in a black finish, so you'll be able to really more adjust the size of the profile or the color of the profile to your surrounding environments. Go to their website, richelieu.com, for any other information or contact your local rep. Thank you.